Concrete day.
I'm Megan, and this is my husband, Beau, and our daughter, Beckett. Join us on our journey as we relocate our family to raw land in beautiful northeastern Washington. Watch as we start from scratch and build the life we desire. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
5:30. Boys are just rolling in over there. Pour the slab on the building. About 40 degrees. I'm coming out to the semi-trailer here. I got some lights. Got to get through about an hour of limited visibility and then it'll be light again. Big day. They just poured one truck. As you can see, got quite a few people here. Another truck, actually 2 trucks staged. This guy brought his motorhome.
Barely 6:30.
Concrete day.
They've been here since 5, a little before 5:30.
Yeah, I walked out at 5:30 and they were pulling in.
Yeah.
So.
They've already started inside. It's like 39 degrees outside.
It was 42 when I woke up, so it's getting colder.
The sun isn't even all the way up yet, guys, but we're getting concrete.
Pumping. Got the pump set up out the back door. We ran this 3-inch line down to a 2-inch line. That's 7 guys. Planning to have it laid down in an hour and a half. Filling up the thickened footings first so we don't float the insulation.
It is 6:45, and yes, I'm in the warmth of the RV right now. It's only 37 degrees outside, but we now have our 3rd concrete truck here getting ready. So they're making some quick work of this already.
Arm from nowhere. Slowly back to its home.
Truck number 4 just arrived. Here comes truck number 5. All the concrete. Bring it on, bring it on. Truck number 5. 5:15. It's finally getting warmer. It's like, I don't know, 45 degrees outside. And they have almost the whole place finished. There's one truck still waiting. And that'll be the little last portion of the shop, but they're so close to being done. I don't know if you can see them working back there. This is so exciting. I can't believe how fast it's going. That looks awesome. I'm so excited. There goes truck 7. This is truck 8.
Yeah.
It's kind of just like everything underneath that one pan that it's spinning on is getting everything within that circumference flat with each other, with itself. So it just, you know, all the little imperfections from in before, like the bull float lines and all that, this kind of rubs everything flat. And then he's got one that is just those blades. So, and those are what give it smoothed out.
Okay. Got it.
It's almost 1:30 and they're still at it. I guess right now what they're doing is trying to get all the moisture out of the concrete. Since we did the foam board on the bottom, it has to push all the moisture up through the concrete. I guess typically when you lay concrete, the water can go down and out, but because we have that vapor barrier and the foam board, it's taking a lot longer for the concrete to dry and set, which is normal with the foam board, but it's just something you have to account for. So they're having to do multiple layers of like drying it out and smoothing it and stuff. So I guess they're still going to be here for like another 3 hours working. And again, they got here just before 5:30 this morning. So it's been a long day.
So we're going to do a diamond relief cut pattern to simulate tile. And then the concrete guy recommended that we don't do the whole thing because of all the pipes. It can get tricky. We're going to start at our bedroom wall, come all the way across with a straight line, and then we'll just checkerboard the front portion of the shop, or excuse me, the front portion of the house, which will be the most that is exposed anyways. The bedrooms and the bathrooms and everything is going to be covered up with rugs. Yeah.
What do you think of your concrete?
Coming.
So I'm done because of the weather with my
We have concrete floors. Look at that. It looks so fantastic. I'm obsessed. The animals seem to like it too. Come here, Minnie. Okay, now it's really echoey in here, but the contractor is supposed to be here later today to put in the relief cuts. But for now, I'm going to go around with this microfiber cloth they gave me and clean off any chunks on the frames or the windows. So yeah, should be a good time. So our contractors were just here, and they are the concrete contractors, and they just laid out the lines. Tomorrow morning, they're going to come back and put in the relief cuts in the concrete. So we're doing diagonal ones up here just for a little bit more of a aesthetically pleasing look. And then the shop and back bedrooms and everything will just be straightforward. The concrete company was here this morning and they put in the relief cuts in the floor. So we officially have finished concrete throughout the whole house and shop. Super excited. We can't wait to start really getting to work on the inside of the house now. So much of our work has just been on the outside. And we're finally gonna get to make some big steps forward. So thank you for watching our journey and continue to follow along. Don't forget to like and subscribe.